Welcome to our channel Psychoways, the Art of Mind. Today we are exploring how chemical neurotransmission and hormone differences play a role in the experience of transgender individuals. Chemical neurotransmission involves the way chemicals in the brain called neurotransmitters helps neurons communicate with each other. These neurotransmitters such as serotonin, dopamine and norepinephrine influence mood, behavior and emotional well-being. Research suggests that neurotransmitter systems might be involved in the development of gender identity. For example, differences in the serotonin and dopamine level have been observed in transgender individuals, which could affect their emotional responses and mental health. Hormones play a crucial role in both development of gender identity and the process of transitioning. During fetal development, hormones like testosterone and estrogen influence the formation of sexual and generated characteristics. For transgender individuals, the hormonal environment experienced during this time may not align with their gender identity. When you see the estrogen and testosterone hormone transhuman for individuals assigned male at birth or identifying as female, estrogen therapy is used to develop female secondary sexual characteristics such as breast growth and fat redistribution. This therapy can also influence neurotransmitter system, potentially improving mood and reducing gender dysphoria. In a trans men, for these assigned female at birth but identifying as male, testosterone therapy helps develop male secondary sexual characteristics such as facial hair and a deeper voice. Testosterone can also affect neurotransmitter systems, impacting mood, energy levels, and overall emotional well being. When we see the impact on neurotransmission, the hormone therapies can alter neurotransmitter levels and receptor sensitivity. For instance, increased estrogen levels might enhance serotonin function, which could positively affect mood and emotional stability. Similarly, testosterone might influence dopamine pathways, which can affect motivation and mood. When we see the research and understanding, while ongoing research aims to understand these complex interactions better, it's clear that both neurotransmission and hormones play a significant role in the experiences of transgender individuals. These factors can impact mental health, emotional well-being, and the process of aligning. Research and understanding, while ongoing research aims to understand these complex interactions better, it's clear that both neurotransmission and hormone play a significant role in the experiences of transgender individuals. These factors can impact mental health, emotional well-being, and process of aligning one's physical body with their gender identity. Chemical neurotransmission and hormone differences are key components in the understanding of experiences of transgender individuals. Hormone therapies not only help align physical characteristics with gender identity but also influence neurotransmitter systems, affecting mood and overall well being. By exploring these biological aspects, we can gain a deeper application for the diverse experiences of transgender individuals and support their journey more effectively. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe and hit the notification button for the content. Stay with us, Psychowest, the Art of Mind.